Hi everybody, my name's Jessica. I live in Providence, Rhode Island. My video is probably going to be a little bit shorter than other people's because I don't have experience working with clients. I'm actually doing the dual program with the MSW and then a master's in education for human sexuality health education at Widener. So that's starting up in the next couple of weeks. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm really looking forward to learning from all of you who have a lot more experience than me, working with clients, working with the DSM, which I've never really encountered. I was English and gender and women's studies major in undergrad. So yeah, I look forward to learning from all of you, getting your feedback, and hearing about your experiences. Hello to everyone I haven't met, and hi again from the people to the people who I've worked with before in a few classes. I recognize some names as well. So thanks so much.